I'll start my day boxing up veneers. Well, this never gets routine with me. There's a gorgeous piece. No, it's actually a pair of Purple Heart. It's hard to believe that that intense purple color is like a real material. It's real wood. I would not recommend Purple Heart for a first-time veneer user. It's a rather dense wood, kind of even denser than oak, and it tends to split pretty easily. So I would save that when you got a little bit more experience. There's a pair of, there's actually two pieces of oak cluster burl. It's one of those veneers that really just looks better if you get it wet here with a little bit of alcohol. You can really show off that cluster figure. Again, another one of those woods that if you're not used to working with veneers, I would save this one for a second project, you know, after you get a little more experience. So again, this is a little bit more difficult to work with, but they are flat sheets. You can find those flat sheets on eBay store, ThinWoodandOldTools. Here's a good first-time veneer veneer for a first-time veneer user. This is a Queensland walnut, quarter sawn. Here's a nice, I guess you'd call it a flame maple. Just full side-to-side curl figure. You can find that on my eBay store, ThinWoodandOldTools. Here's some southern yellow pine. It's an interesting walnut, a little bit of dark streaks in it. The customer was looking for this specifically. They're making lampshades. So this will be a little interesting project for them. This here's a Quilted Bubinga or Waterfall Bubinga. You can see that nice carmine rose color. Again, another veneer that really shows off well if you get an oil finish. Here I'm showing how temporarily changing the color with a little bit of alcohol on it, and really just pops that figure and color out of that. And then followed by a piece of curly French oak. That is an optical illusion, folks. That curl figure, that veneer is dead flat. Gorgeous, gorgeous wood. You can find this veneer and all the others on my eBay store, ThinWoodandOldTools, my Etsy shop, Volpe Woodworks, my website, VolpeWoodworks.com, as seller, Volpe Woodworks on Amazon. Please visit my YouTube channel. I'll be posting some videos here shortly. If you like the content there, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing so you get notified of anything new being posted. I'm always happy to assist in selecting a veneer for an upcoming project. Just please reach out to me by email at tom@VolpeWoodworks.com.